BNB, the OG of chains out there with tons of dApps. It was basically the birthplace of the shitcoin, and without BNB, I think Binance Smart Chain is amazing, guys. Maybe it's biased, but I completely love it, and I want to show you a chart in this video, which is super important. So stick to this video until the end, like this video so your friends can see, give this video a comment as well, and we're going to look at everything you need to know about BNB today. So firstly, there is a bit of a conspiracy going on. We can see somehow that BNB, or an analyst is accusing CZ of wash trading, and it says wash trading like crazy on Binance right now, trying to pretend there's support for BNB around this SEC FUD where we're seeing all of the altcoins become very shaky and volatile. And you can see it says BNB is getting some heavy duty wash trading in order to keep the price where it is. So this is interesting. Look closely now. I've drawn lines from the moment volume starts to go up, which always happens after price dips. Makes no sense to have more volume with the price going sideways than dipping, unless there are some very clever whales out there. And in their defense, I mean, you can see right here, CZ Binance said, Binance have not sold Bitcoin or BNB. We even still have a bag of FTT. It's amazing. They can know exactly who sold based on just a price chart involving millions of traders. Yeah, without any on-chain analysis or looking into the, the deep sea diving of the blockchain. So it probably is a bunch of fudders, and I personally believe CZ because I like him, and I just don't see why they would need to wash trade or manipulate the price of BNB anyway. They're worth millions, if not billions, so I don't see how it truly matters. So here's an article actually saying Binance CEO CZ denies rumors of selling Bitcoin to bolster the BNB price. But it's always fun to see this kind of exposure, and you always get a twisted narrative on these particular articles anyway. So it's basically where you artificially stabilize the price, but I just don't think it's true. So let's check it out. BNB. We're in a very interesting place for this token, $246. It's a rank 4 token, so it's a top 10 crypto. You can't really, scream FUD when this is a top 10 coin, guys. It gets there for a reason. It holds top 5, top 10 for a reason, and it's got a massive market capitalization of 38.4 billion right now, which is absolutely crazy. So I believe there is also an auto burning feature where we're seeing the supply of BNB hopefully drop. I don't know if it's inflationary or deflationary right now. It'd be interesting to find out, but we can see over the last 7 days the price has dropped from $274 down to this $225 region. Now I want to show you why this is so important. This $220 region is just so important. It's crucial, by the way, and very crucial indeed. So firstly, we can see the total value locked on chains. BSC is number 3 at the moment with 3.43 billion TVL. That 1 month change is actually down the most compared to other chains. Ethereum is looking really stable, but BNB is down 25%. That's showing me an opportunity right now in the markets. That is a big opportunity for me right now, just looking at this 1 month change. Yeah, tons of protocols have dropped drastically, but to see BNB over here, BSC, at 25% drop is very interesting to say the least. Now, we will talk about it. We can see this TVL is slipping away more and more, and we're back to this sort of same range as March 12, 2021, which is now smashingly, I don't know how, over 2 years ago, before that crazy altcoin madness that we saw where BNB exploded in terms of the TVL. So let's have a look at why this is important to me. We're going to look at the price analysis, and if you do want to unlock some crazy benefits, I'm talking about some beautiful chart analysis. We've got so many techno analysts in the Discord. I'm going to show you a few right now, guys. Make sure you get subscribed into the Discord. Over 14,000 members, as you can see right here. You're going to get some beautiful signals, technical analysis. You're going to get take profit zones, entries, stop loss, everything you need to know. There's over 10 different technical analysts in the Discord. Make sure you sign up to become a patron and unlock these benefits. The link is down below for that. So stop it. Stop self-promoting. Let's get on with the video. I'm going to show you right now why this is a very crucial time for BNB. So we're going to start with a few vertical lines that tell very strong stories. And we can see back in time, whether you zoom out a few years ago, a few months ago, a few weeks ago, BNB always comes back to this $220 and $15 to $227 price level, and in some cases, such as June 2022, even down to $183. So yes, there is a window. There is a window of opportunity, guys, for the people that actually pull the finger out their ass, open their wallets, and stop letting that emotion drive them. So if you are one of these people that also have real struggles with emotional trading, it's another reason to get yourself into the Discord down below, by the way. Like I say, 14,000 members. It's a great crypto community. We're all learning, we're all inspiring each other, we're creating ideas, we've got a fantastic group of moderators keeping people safe. But like I say, people are making a lot of money in this particular Discord. My Discord down below, Jacob's Crypto Clan. You can see all the trading cards here, so please do join that. I know I'm going on about it a lot. I just want people to get in this Discord now rather than later. It's very, very important. So let's have a little look. We're currently trading at $246 right now at the time of making this video. We did drop down to 220, back in that green pocket, that lovely, lovely region that we want to see. And you can see on the RSI, almost became oversold, but we did not become oversold. Now we're on the weekly time frame. We can look at our Bollinger Bands. You can see we slipped away below the bottom line of the Bollinger Band. So it happened here, we come back up. It happened here, we come back up. We lose at 20-day moving average, we come back up. So we have lost the 20-day moving average here on the weekly time frame. We are below the Bollinger Bands. So we could speculate that maybe in a few weeks, are we going to see a strong recovery for BNB? It's very, very possible. What could actually happen is that we try and retest this major resistance trend line of $292. Alternatively, we could actually see BNB slip away massively, where the price could capitulate even further. You know, we could see a major drop for this particular token. I don't think it's going to happen. But right now, the objectives are, you got the bullish narrative. So can this coin 10x from where it is right now? That is the story we want to tell. That is the picture we want to paint. And I think looking at a $246 BNB with a market capital currently sitting at 38.4 billion, a 10x would take us to 384 billion, guys. So I think it's very, very possible. Now looking at this price chart here, the 2.618 Fibonacci takes us to $1,467, which is around a 7x. And I still think it's possible to see the price go higher by the next crypto bull run. It's absolutely possible. So pragmatic targets, we're looking at $920 to $1,050. You're looking at a reasonably say 5x from these current levels, in my honest opinion, just based on Fibonacci trends and relative to market cap. Remember, the 1618 golden pocket is $1,000 here on the price prediction. This is within a bear market, guys. The economies are just looking terrible right now. So it's very interesting to see, and it does make me wonder, should I be buying more right now? And I think for me, the answer is yes. I will load up on some BNB at these levels. I believe that in the next few weeks, we will see BNB retest $293 and in the future come up to these higher ranges. You can see within the bear market that we have currently endured, this is the resistance trend line. This is where we see the major kind of rejections for BNB time and time again. It's this $300 range. $320, $300, between $320 and $350. That is the range. So effectively what I'm trying to say is, maybe you don't believe so, but this is the sell zone in the bear market. This is where you're selling. For me, start selling around here. If you're long term and you don't care anyway, it doesn't matter. And then the buy zone, guys, is down here. It doesn't really get more simple than that, in my honest opinion. You're going to start buying in these oversold, fearful territories where we have these big market washouts. Like December, we had FTX crisis. Around here, we had June 2022, we had the Terra Luna crash crisis. So there's two news-based events. This mouse is going to piss me off. Right, so we've got this news-based event right here. Boom, price comes up. Black Swan event, you know, FUD, extreme fear. Boom, news-based event, the price comes up. Guess what? News-based event. News-based event, guys. The price is going to come back up. Surely the price is going to come back up. Yes, we only have 2 historical data points, But this is why I'm bullish on BNB right now. It's because of the historical data giving me reason to be bullish, but also just the protocol itself, the CZ himself, Binance, the bear market, the fact that when we're in the bull market, surely this coin can only go in one direction. Maybe I sound a bit too bullish. I don't know. Maybe on the macro correction, there is still more space to move to the downside because we've been floating between the 0.786 corrective phase and the 0.618. But in my opinion, the bottom here was really right here in June 2022 when we saw BNB hit $183. I think that was the bottom. That's when we saw Bitcoin hit 16.5k, and now I think we are just trading sideways in this next accumulation phase before the actual next major crypto bull run. So this is the loading up phase, guys. $247 BNB, not a bad price. I think, you know, I'm very tempted to load up a huge bag of BNB here, with the view of selling them at maybe $1,000 in a few years' time. So I think now is a time for me to start loading up on BNB. You don't have to copy what I do, of course. None of this is financial advice, and always never risk more than you can afford to lose. So yeah, BNB looking strong. 10x coin potential, yes, massively. 5x, definitely, in my opinion. Remember, if you're new to the channel, get yourself in the Discord. 14,000 members strong. We've got the general chat. We're looking at pre-sales. We've got the VIP chat. We've got the trades chat where everyone's sharing their insights and analysis. I know this is a bit of a self-promotional video, but I just want you all to be in the Discord whilst we're in the bear market. So you're here nice and early. You're prepared for the future by the time we get to that crypto bull run. And remember, it's not costly, guys. It's not really expensive stuff. You can see, you know, $20 a month for this particular one, or, you know, $10 a month for the Crypto Hunter package. Crypto Champion, just 7 left. Crypto Legend, just 5 left there, guys. So got to get in quick. Limited space because we can't manage thousands and thousands of people, but we can say there are 433 patrons right now, and we'd love to get that figure up higher and higher for more people to be learning and growing, and of course help sort of support the server and the community and the YouTube channel, because all this stuff, you know, is quite costly to run over time, and it's quite stressful at the same time. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, do all those YouTube thingies. Hit the YouTube notification bell. That was meant to go ding, but it didn't. What a fail. And have a lovely day. Stay crypto safe. Watch out for the scammers down below. And please, just, you know, don't get scammed out there. That's just the worst thing that could ever happen. So, yes, thanks for watching. See you soon.